Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. It's just another job we got in the workshop today I wanted to share with you. This particular case, we've got an Audi. It's coming with a customer complaint of the stop-start system not really working properly. Sometimes it won't start when you go to take off at a set of lights, doing some crazy random things. We took it for a run and had similar things. We do actually have a case study on this one, 2014 1.4 litre. First thing we have to remember, again, we've touched on it many times, is batteries and battery condition. In this particular case, you can have a look at the photo here on the battery of the case study that we've got in the situation on file. The terminal there, absolutely putrid. Also, you've got to make sure that we're checking that. Also checking these major connections down here. A lot of issues, we've got a lot of case studies with these melting over time and burning, causing high resistance and voltage drop. So it's important that we have a good visual of those, and maybe even check it with your digital multimeter. Check the battery, make sure it's got the correct battery in the car. If you are putting a new battery in, to make sure you're programming that into the vehicle, or at least acknowledging that you're putting a new battery into the car and getting it up and running for the stop-start operation. Vitally important that we're checking those batteries and those connections on every car. So again, don't go past those basics when you're looking at cars. Check at the start, check at your battery and those main electrical connections. See you next time.